In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Grok. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the site, create your account, and start exploring features like search and the Imagine tool for generating videos or images. First, open the official Grok website in your preferred browser. Using a modern, up-to-date browser helps everything load smoothly and keeps you secure. Take a moment to make sure you're on the correct site and that your internet connection is stable. Once the homepage loads, you're in the right place to begin. On the homepage, look for the option to sign in or sign up. If you already have an account, choose sign in and proceed with your usual details. If you haven't created an account yet, click sign up. Don't worry if you click the wrong one at first. There's usually a quick way to switch between the two on the sign in page. When you select sign up, you'll be asked to register using your email or your preferred method. Choose the option that's most convenient for you. If you're using email, follow the on-screen prompts to enter your information. You may be asked to create a password and, in some cases, confirm your email address. Just follow whatever prompts appear. These steps help protect your account and personalize your experience. After you complete sign up, you'll be redirected back to the Grok website. This is where the fun begins. Take a moment to look around the interface. You can use the search feature to ask questions, look up topics, or explore ideas. If you want to jump straight into creativity, look for the Imagine option. Clicking. Imagine lets you create a video or an image from a prompt. Start with a clear, simple description of what you want, and then refine your prompt to get closer to your ideal result. If the tool offers settings like style, length, or aspect ratio, adjust them to match your goals. As you explore, keep an eye out for help icons, examples, or guides built into the site. These can clarify how prompts work and help you get better results faster. If something doesn't load right away, give the page a moment to finish setting up, then try again. That's it. You opened the Grok website, signed in or signed up using your email or preferred method, and now you're ready to explore, search, or use Imagine to create videos or images. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your time with Grok.